New reincarnation reinforcement learning from Google. Reinforcement learning is a branch of machine learning concerned with preparing intelligent agents to make decisions based on similar experiences. This might entail operating a vehicle, creating a computer chip, or playing video games. Because reinforcement learning AI is so broadly applicable, one popular direction in the research is to create agents that can pick up on concepts without having any prior understanding of the issue at hand. Tabula rasa reinforcement learning systems are an exception for solving large-scale RL problems rather than the norm. After experiencing numerous algorithmic or structural adjustments throughout the development cycle, large-scale reinforcement learning systems like OpenAI 5 have attained human-level performance with games like Dota 2. However, it is often necessary to modify behavior, which typically takes months, and it's costly to start over with new behavior without retraining. Due to its inability to handle computationally challenging situations, tabula rasa reinforcement learning is wasteful from a computational standpoint. Google is researching reusing prior computation to accelerate progress to address these inefficiencies of tabula rasa reinforcement learning. As issues become more difficult and complex to solve, the computational barrier to entry in reinforcement learning research will become even higher. Inducing prior computational work, such as learned models, policies, and log data that can be reused or transferred between the design iterations of one RL agent to another, as opposed to many other RL agents that must be developed from scratch, is an alternative approach for reinforcement learning research. Instead of starting from scratch, reincarnating RL, known as RRL, is more effective and computationally friendly. RRL democratizes research by using less computational resources to overcome difficult reinforcement learning challenges. When it comes to topics that have an impact on the real world, RRL can offer a benchmarking paradigm that enables researchers to continuously enhance the training agents they already have in place. In contrast, regular reinforcement learning use cases in real-world scenarios are more likely to be applied in situations where previous computational work is accessible. Google researchers argue in favor of creating a general-purpose reincarnation reinforcement learning strategy as opposed to earlier solutions because RRL has never been explored as a research problem on its own. New artificial intelligence method to generate synthetic expression-based face wrinkles proposed by Microsoft and TU Delft. Without using a single real image, machine learning algorithms trained on synthetic data for landmark localization and face parsing were able to achieve state-of-the-art performance. A downside was the technique's lack of dynamic, expression-dependent wrinkles, but the researchers offer a simple yet effective strategy for applying the expression-based wrinkles. Only neutral expression scans, which remain static throughout all expression-related deformations of the underlying facial geometry, are used in the process to build textures. The main objective is to extract complex wrinkle effects for identification from high-resolution scans of posed faces. These provide wrinkle maps for albedo and displacement textures to store these potential wrinkles. The rise of multi-arm AI robotics. A new technique known as speed folding uses two robot arms as a reliable and efficient bimanual system, which enables it to quickly and smoothly fold a crumpled garment. Researchers found that the speed-folding robot arms can fold 30 to 40 dispersed pieces of clothing every hour, as opposed to earlier models' average of 3 to 6 garments folded in the same amount of time. The robotics researchers claim that their robot arms have a 93% success rate and can fold goods in under 2 minutes. Experiments in the real world demonstrate that the system is capable of generalizing to unseen clothing of various colors, shapes, and stiffness. Previous efforts to have robot arms fold these objects generally concentrated on single arm handling or difficult iterative machine learning algorithms that demand many interactions and take a while to finish. Speed folding follows a distinct methodology. First, from a random configuration, a revolutionary neural network dubbed bimanual manipulation network evaluated 4,300 human and machine-assisted activities to learn how to smooth and fold clothing. This procedure may entail a variety of predetermined motions, such as throwing, dragging, moving, and pick and place. Speed folding is a big advance, according to researchers, but it won't likely be commercialized anytime soon. This is because a similar robot retails for $58,000. The researchers say that they still aim to investigate methods that can learn to manage a new garment from just a few examples, among other things. Areas where these kinds of robotics could be used in the future could include hospitals, residences, and warehouses, which all frequently need garment folding. Meta has built a neural theorem-proving artificial intelligence model that has solved 10 international math Olympiad problems, which is 5 times more than any other AI system. The development of artificial intelligence requires proving mathematical theorems, which has long been recognized in the scientific community. A conjecture must be proven to be true or false using symbolic reasoning and a limitless number of potential conclusions. Even the most advanced AI systems are unable to complete these tasks. The current state of artificial intelligence is the development of solve-at-once machines, or those that can generate a complete solution to a problem in a single step. However, this is not how most people address challenging circumstances. It is significantly harder to quantify and code mathematical reasoning. At the nexus of artificial intelligence and mathematics, Meta AI has made huge advancement with its new machine learning AI model. The team's neural theorem prover has solved 10 IMO issues, which is 5 times as many as any other AI system before it. On the well-known arithmetic exam called Mini-F2F, the AI performs 10% better than MetaMath and 20% better than the state-of-the-art. The team's hypertree proof search method, also known as HTPS, is shown to generalize from a data set of sound mathematical arguments to entirely unrelated problems. It could come up with a correct proof for an IMO problem by applying some arithmetic reduction on a set number of examples. The neural theorem was found to be necessary in order to connect a state with an existing but incomplete understanding of the issue in order for it to behave more humanely. In the beginning, the researchers combined a reinforcement learning technique with already developed proving tools, such as Lean. The unfinished proof's current state is a node, and each future step is an edge in a graph. This enables the proof to be seen as a whole. This strategy is possible thanks to the deductive reasoning process used by proof helpers. A comparable mechanism is needed for an artificial intelligence model to play chess, which is the capacity to judge the strength of a specific chess position, in this case, a proof state. The researchers used a method similar to a Monte Carlo tree search to accomplish this, in which the machine learning AI model iteratively calculates the following. 1. A group of strong objections to utilize in a specific proof state. 2. The outcome of the proof following the presentation of a predetermined number of objections. This enables even faster advancements in this intriguing sector by an online training approach that considerably enhances the performance of the first pre-trained model on particular issues. The researchers said they hope others will use their work to make even more rapid strides forward in the machine learning field. By the way, did you know deep learning AI engineers make an average salary of $144,000 per year with bonuses and benefits, all while working remotely? You could start learning for free today from world-famous deep learning AI researcher Andrew Ng, the co-founder of Google Brain, to work as a machine learning engineer from home. So get started for free today on Coursera.org with the link below to earn your deep learning AI specialization online at your own pace. And join the AI industry where there is a massive shortage of talent that companies are battling for to hire. Click now and transform your income potential with the power of artificial intelligence.